Let's learn to draw and color a rooster.
Start with the oval shape in the middle of the page. Oval shape is drawn in a tilted manner, leaving some space to add beak later on. For the body, I have added two curvy lines. The feathers of the tail get curved down, so I'm adding 3 guide lines. Let's add some feathers into neck area and complete circle for body. Start adding feathers to lower tail as well as upper tail in this manner. Add beak, a comb, a wattle and an eye. Lastly, add leg and feet. In the background, I'm adding some flowers. Break line for ground, for middle section and separate it with sky. Let's begin coloring. I'm using primary red. I'm using oil pastels. Clear out all the flakes using old brush. Make sure you're coating the color well. For upper tail, continue with primary red and blend the lower portion with orange. Beak goes into primary red. For neck feathers, start with scarlet. Followed by orange. Make sure you blend these colors well, and lastly use medium yellow. For lower tail, it's going to be same combination, scarlet, followed by orange, and finish it lastly with medium yellow. For remaining body, I'm using cerulean blue. In the background, I'm using light green. This goes into the middle section. Make sure you're reaching each and every corner and coloring it well. Last background section goes into dark purple. Section which is above light green goes into lemon yellow. For flowers, I'm using light purple first, followed by light pink. All flowers will go into same combination. Color leaves into light green and dark green. Use yellow ochre for feet and leg. Draw yellow rim just around the face. I used medium yellow for this. Sky section goes into deep blue. I'm using maroon to highlight red color. Use black crayon to outline drawing. Use white acrylic paint and create few dots into dark blue area. Do try this tutorial, follow Tiny Prince Art Academy on Facebook and subscribe on YouTube. Hit the like button and share it forward with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching.